Bringing you the very latest in our subsequent news bulletin. Our reporters are on ground. Now, suspected Russian recruiter Festus Omwamba is in court at this moment. The police arrested Omwamba, who is the accused person and is accused of luring Kenyans to Russia. Let's cross over to Kahawa Courts, where the proceedings are ongoing and listening.
So, Your Honor, that's by wanting to grant. The police are wanting that you do not. Have they convinced you? No. Have they placed material before you? No. Have they shown that he has absconded? No. Have they shown that he's interfered with witnesses? No. And then, Your Honor, why is it very good for him? The antecedents will show. He has been to the High Court showing that he wants to come. He has brought himself and called them. They have gone and kissed him. What does this show, Your Honor? Do you want to deny a person who has shown you good character to be denied bond? Your Honor, you cannot, Your Honor. Then that is why, because he's a word of this court, you must look at him favorably. These fundamental rights are there so that, Your Honor, you can activate them. Let them not just remain there for the sake of remaining there. And so that, Your Honor, why we are looking at that? Your Honor, if you look at the case of when I was bringing Article 29, and I was bringing about the issue, I can't remember the case number exactly, but it's an High Court case. That was Koinange and 4 others versus the Republic. It's a 2010 case. That was the first few cases for granting bond in the Constitution. It was my case in Nakuru, before Justice Owo then. The state cannot be heard to say that they cannot protect the citizens. They cannot be heard to say that.
Government spokesperson Isaac Mwaura has